United, you always win. On the top of a large banyan tree lived a crow. Every morning, the crow would fly to the village to gather food and would come back by night. So it will go for food daily and come back home. One day, the crow was flying to the village when he saw a hunter approaching the tree with seeds in his hand. The crow thought to himself, this hunter is out to kill someone. The grains in his hand are to tempt the birds. See, one day it was just observing one hunter throwing seeds under the tree. Soon it realized that it is a plan for getting some birds to hunt. Soon the crow realized that it is a plan of the hunter to catch the birds. So the crow flew back to the tree and gathered all the other animals and birds living in the tree. Friends, there is an evil hunter coming towards our home. He has some delicious grains in his hand. He will throw those grains under the tree and so that you will eat and fall prey for him. He will throw them around to tempt you. Do not touch any of them or your life will be in danger. See, the crow now warned all the animals which are living under the tree. Just as the crow had warned, the hunter threw the grains in front of a tree. None of the birds or animals went near it. Alas, from the sky descended a flock of 100 pigeons to eat the grains. The pigeons pounced on the grains and before they knew it, the hunter had cast his net on them. See what has happened? Suddenly, so many pigeons were going, a flock of pigeons was going in the sky. They saw the grains and they came for food. Then what happened? As soon as they came, the hunter had put his net on them. All the pigeons were trapped. They cried out to their king. It was a trap. The evil hunter will now kill all of us, shouted the pigeons. The king said, do not worry, I have a plan, but we will all have to work together for the plan to succeed. One of the pigeons is the king. It said, do not worry, we will work out a plan to get out of this net. The king said, when I count to 3, all of you will have to flap your wings and fly to the sky. We will fly away with the net to safety. See, that is its plan. When I count 1, 2, 3, suddenly all of you should start flying. As the hunter was walking towards the net, he was thinking how lucky he was to trap so many birds in one day. See, the hunter was so happy. But he was in for a big surprise. The birds flapped their wings and rose to the sky right in front of his eyes. The hunter cried out, wait, you are taking my net with you. The birds had flown too far away and there was nothing the hunter could do. All of a sudden, all the birds together started flapping their wings, no? That's why, because of that force, all of them were able to fly together along with the net. The hunter was so surprised to see this. How can all the birds fly away together? But with flying, they are taking off his net also. So he was crying. Don't take my net, don't take my net, kinds. When they were safely away from the hunter, the king said, let us fly to my friend the king of rats. He will free us from the net with his sharp teeth. So the pigeons flew to the rat. The king of rats was happy to see his friend, though in a net. The pigeon had gone to the rat for help so that the rat will cut the net with its sharp teeth. He called all his friends and within minutes the pigeons were free. All the rats have come and cut the net. So all the pigeons are free now. The king of rats looked at the free pigeons and said, when you are united, you can do anything you want. See, that is the moral of the story. All of you, if you together work towards a goal, then you can definitely achieve it.